What if all satellites fell on Earth? Imagine you are just casually watching TV but it suddenly stops, not just for you but for the entire world. You hop on your phone to know what's wrong and you get to know that all the satellites have stopped working. What would be your first reaction? To know what will happen if all the satellites fell on Earth, watch this video till the end. Today we are truly living in the space age. We may not yet be taking holidays on the moon, but our day-to-day lives are becoming more and more reliant on satellite technology. Ranked 5th in the world with a budget of more than $1.5 billion and record of launching the most satellites in a single mission, India's leading space agency, ISRO, ranks at number 5 in the world, having 118 satellites in space. Satellites help scientists study Earth and space. They also measure gases in the atmosphere, such as ozone and carbon dioxide, and the amounts of energy that Earth absorbs and emits. All of this information helps scientists predict weather and climate. This information also helps public health officials track diseases and famine. It helps farmers know what crops to plant, and it helps emergency workers respond to natural disasters. Satellites that face towards space have a variety of jobs. Some watch for dangerous rays coming from the sun, others explore asteroids and comets, the history of stars, and the origin of planets. But, like every other machine, satellites do not last forever. Whether their job is to observe weather, measure greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, or point away from Earth to study the stars, eventually all satellites grow old, wear out, and die, just like old washing machines and vacuum cleaners. Two things can happen to old satellites. For the closer satellites, engineers will use its last bit of fuel to slow it down so it will fall out of orbit and burn up in the atmosphere. A few satellites are also designed to return to Earth because they have collected samples that scientists want to study. These satellites have great heat shields to keep them cool and parachutes to slow them down so that they land softly still in one piece. But what would happen if they all came crashing down? On an average, a total of between 200 to 400 tracked objects enter Earth's atmosphere every year. That's about one every day. Thankfully, the human population is rarely affected by things falling from the outer space. Satellites don't fall from the sky because they are orbiting Earth. Even when satellites are thousands of miles away, Earth's gravity still tugs on them. It would take 31.75 years for the satellite to fall to Earth. But we will notice some other things, such as all the satellites will stop working and so does the communication system. The phone lines and television lines would also be down. There were no foreign correspondents on the radio, no results of the latest international sport fixtures. The failure of secure satellite communication systems left soldiers, ships, and aircraft cut off from their commanders and vulnerable to attack. Without satellites, world leaders would struggle to talk to each other to diffuse mounting global tensions. As people started working in the offices, they would find it difficult to talk to colleagues in other countries. Many international phone calls failed. The rapid communication systems that tied the world together were unraveling. Rather than shrinking, it will have seemed as if the earth was getting larger. A new threat to global stability begins to emerge: the loss of the Global Positioning System, GPS. Satellites have transformed the lives of delivery companies, helped emergency services reach incidents much quicker, allowed planes to land on isolated runways, and enabled trucks, trains, ships, and cars to be tracked and traced. But GPS turns out to be much more pervasive in our lives than many of us could possibly even realize. Web searches become slower, the internet started to grind to a halt. In major cities, traffic lights and railway signals will start to default to red, bringing transport to a standstill. Mobile phone services will stop working. The loss of satellite communications and GPS would result in majority of flights to be cancelled. Farmers rely on forecasts for planting, spraying, and harvesting. Without weather satellite data, a storm system developing rapidly over the ocean will be missed. Food supply chains would break down. Satellite uses to produce images and maps for rescue workers responding to disasters would be missed, as would the satellites producing long-term records of climate. And of course, the moon is a satellite too. If it hits us, it would kill everybody on Earth and liquefy the crust, destroying much of our atmosphere and destabilizing Earth's rotation. If the satellite was small and it was a controlled re-entry, it would likely burn up completely or burn up partially and then crash into the ocean. If not, parts might hit the land. These satellites could destroy entire buildings and towns. Their shockwaves could cause considerable damage, causing even more harm to the planet after they hit it. But the chances of something like this happening are incredibly low. And also, there is a solution to it. Spacecraft operators can plan for the final destination of their old satellites to make sure that any debris falls into a remote area. This place even has a nickname, the Spacecraft Cemetery. It is in the Pacific Ocean and is pretty much the farthest place from any human civilization you can ever find. 6 satellites can be visited by robotic surgeons to correct its blurry vision, to add new cameras and instruments that extend its mission. A satellite needs to be going fast, at least 8 kilometers, that is 5 miles a second, to stop from falling back down to Earth immediately. Gravity combined with the satellite's momentum from its launch into space causes the satellite go into orbit above Earth instead of falling back down to the ground. So could all of this happen? Only if everything failed at once, and that is very unlikely. What is certain is that the infrastructure we all rely on has become increasingly dependent on space technology, and that without satellites, the world would be a very different place. So, what do you think will have the most impact if satellites fell down? Let us know in the comments below and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like these.